Hi there, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to take you through periodic functions. What are periodic functions? We've gone through different types of functions in our previous lessons, and we continue in this section with periodic functions. Please, if this is the first time you have been on this channel, kindly subscribe and also make sure you watch these videos to the end. So periodic functions, it should satisfy this. It says f of x plus t should give us what f of x. Now what is t? Yep. So you say that t is any positive real number, okay? So t is any positive real number. Positive real number. That's t. So for any positive real number t, f of x plus t should always give us f of x. This means that a periodic function is any function that keeps on repeating itself at time t. Okay, so the function will change or will undergo transformation, but at the point t it will come back to as it is before. That is the concept of periodic functions. Okay, so it will move through a different transformation, but at the time t. So a typical example is the sine function. So sine function starts from here, moves, comes this way like that. So all sinusoidal functions will have a period. Okay, so after some time it returns back to as it started. Okay, so you can see it started from here 0. Okay, it moved and it's starting again from this side. So assuming here is 1, it will go again and start again here 2. You get it? So that makes it looks like what something periodic. It will undergo the transformation, and at certain points it will come back to as it started again. So it's a cycle, right? Periodic functions are normally, it has one cycle, and the cycle will keep on repeating itself infinitely. That is all about periodic functions. Now let's see the trig functions. When you take sine x plus 2 pi k, okay, will give us sine x plus 2 pi. So sorry, let me do it this way. So it will give us sine x. Okay, so meaning that the period for all sine functions are what is 2 pi. So a sine function will go and come back when it's 2 pi. So now when you take cos is also likewise. Cos x plus 2 pi k will give us cos x. Okay, so t, which is our period, is always 2 pi for cos and sine. Now what about tan? Yeah, so for tan is giving us tan x plus 2k plus 1 all pi. This is equal to tan of what? X. Now the k here is simply any positive what? Real number, but normally we use one cycle. Okay, it's 1. So for just a single cycle, this is the same as sine x plus 2 pi. Then this becomes cos x plus 2 pi. So cos x plus 2 pi will give us cos x. Then tan x plus pi, because when k is 1, you are going to get what? 2 by 1 plus 1. So you'll be getting, so tan plus pi. So this k is, so let's see, this k here initially, as I said, is just showing one cycle. Then this 2k plus 1 here is also indicating just one cycle of what? The tan. Therefore, the period for tan is always pi. Have that in mind. The period of tan is always pi. Always pi. Okay. Then the period of sine is always 2 pi. Period of cos is always 2 pi. So we'll be solving more problems on periodic functions in our subsequent tutorials. For the meantime, thank you for being with me, and don't forget to like and share.